What is good, Lottery Stocks fam? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. First of all, Merry Christmas to each and every one of you guys. I hope you are all enjoying your holiday, and we are about to enter a brand new year. Now, we just saw a Roaring Kitty tweet. I'm going to try to do this all in one take. That way I don't have to spend time editing the video. It has been very busy past couple of days. I am extremely hyped to start the week. You know that I have been not only entering GameStop calls, adding to GameStop calls, I've been doubling my position on GameStop calls, and we've been talking about it in Discord, and I am excited. Okay, yes, these are a little bit further dated calls out into January or March or something like along the lines of that, but we are still going to make out when the week starts. So obviously, Roaring Kitty put out a tweet. GameStop is currently up about 6% in overnight trading. If you don't have access to viewing overnight trading, go look at it on Webull. Go look at it on Robinhood. You don't have to, deposit money into there, but there are brokers that will show you the overnight price for GameStop. Now, there are a lot of conspiracies going around as to Roaring Kitty's tweet. Keep in mind, he posted this at 10 a.m. on the dot, and there are a lot of tinfoil hats that are connecting the dots to this tweet, to the times of his tweets, and not only his tweets. Okay, so 4 years ago, which would make this a requel, Roaring Kitty posted this on the Christmas of 2020. He says, "In case I don't see ya, happy Monday, happy Wednesday, happy Friday. Cheers, everyone." With Roaring Kitty at the top of the staircase, basically up in heaven, right at the very top of everything. Is this the way to decode it? Maybe. Each and every one of these tweets may or may not be the tinfoil that will play out. But the tinfoils that we have been seeing have played out. This was also a tweet from December 24th of 2020, which is the Cheers tweet. And then that time post that he posted was from December 25th of 2006, the time post where everyone said it was time you cover, all this other stuff. And this was from the 24th of 2020. So now people are questioning, is his timeline backwards, right? Is it now time to see the cheers, then the melt up, all this other stuff, then the crash, or are we at the end of his timeline and nothing was supposed to happen from then, but now we are going to go higher or lower, right? The chart is about to say it all. We have been looking at the chart push against $31. Obviously, we are now trading above 33 after hours or overnight trading, right? That is because the market is open tomorrow. That's why you're seeing overnight trading. A lot of people weren't certain if the market was going to be open the day after Christmas. It is open. Now, the last time Roaring Kitty posted one of these tweets into a trading break or trading weekend or something like that, right? GameStop went basically parabolic, up 100, 200, almost 300%. Is that going to happen? Not necessarily going to be the case, but what is in the box, right? What is in the box? This could also be correlated to his "what is in the box" tweet. This was posted on May 17th, could be part of his timeline. There are several things in this video that could be decoded, like the numbers in the background, Mr. 00, whatever, G0056, connected to Greg, connected to Buck the Bunny, all this other stuff. The rabbit hole goes deeper, no pun intended. But you look at this video, obviously the box is GameStop. And then you go throughout the video. At the end of the video, he says, what's in the box, right? What's in the box? And that is because it paused. And then you saw this timer pop up. The timer skipped over 109, obviously. And then it also ended at, you guessed it, 420. Okay, that is the meme that he posted. Then he posted the time thing, which is the 109, 420. It is time. And then at the end of this video, to show you, right, what's in the box. And then voila, after the time post, he comes out with the box post. What is in the box? He's about to reveal it to us. What could it be? Obviously, it could be a GameStop squeeze, but what could it be? Could it be another YOLO tweet from him, which we've already seen before? So maybe it's a different type of gift. But some people are anticipating that this could be a YOLO tweet. From Captain Jack over on Twitter, he says, as I posted on Friday, someone bought $35 million of shares at 420. That was the sign, expecting a huge YOLO and $125 January calls. They go on to say that basically the last time we seen the options chain very similar, it was him. Now, he could come out and he could state that he is in January $125 calls, and then the price could get close to that, higher than that, under that, right? We don't really know what it could get to, but we did talk about recently that people did enter back into those $125 calls. So they were in them, then they exited them, then they were back in them. Okay, so these are basically the tinfoils that we have right now coming into the chart. The chart is there. Personally, I don't see another better setup per se that sets GameStop up better than it is set up right now to have a short squeeze. I don't know a better setup, a better scenario with Roaring Kitty here, the way the chart's playing out, every single thing. I don't know a better setup, the market near all-time highs, than this, right? New president coming in, economy potentially being fixed or potentially collapsing. Then this, between January and February, the next 4 to 8 weeks for GameStop to have a squeeze. I'm extremely hyped. I'm extremely excited, and I hope we get paid out during this time frame that we're sitting in right now. So this is the main thing I wanted to cover, but I did need to throw something in. XRT holds GameStop. This is the retail S&P ETF, and there has been a lot of conspiracy theories or tinfoil hat theories recently on this. Plenty of solid due diligence into this, but the main things to point out are this has just gone on the threshold securities list, what's called the threshold securities list. If you don't know what this is, this has to do with failed to delivers. Somebody borrows stock, in this case XRT, someone borrowed XRT or borrowed something in XRT. So borrowed XRT for something in the ETF, which is just a basket of stocks. And they are not delivering their shares. They can't deliver their shares. So what's important about this, and keep in mind, it's not in row 1. It's barely in row 2. It's at the very bottom. I don't know if this was supposed to be hidden or what, but you can see NYSE ARCA right here, Spider S&P Retail ETF. What's so important about this is don't forget about the rule that after 13 consecutive days of being on this list, the broker has to go out and basically purchase those securities. So 13 consecutive settlement days on the threshold securities list basically does not comply with SEC regulation, and brokers say, yo, you had this in here, but now we have to go out and purchase it. And that essentially should theoretically cause a stock to run. Why am I talking about this? It's just stupid ETF. Well, it is told that this could potentially be keeping GameStop's price also pinned down. And also a sign of being on threshold securities list is market manipulation, right? And it wouldn't surprise me if they are keeping this thing down, or they're trying to, just target GameStop in this basket or something along the lines of that. And just to show you further proof, if you haven't heard of XRT ETF, it's sitting at a 309% short interest. 309%. Some newbies into the market didn't even know that you could get over 100% short interest, right? Not only that, but you don't see it on an ETF, right? It's not normal. So this is the nighttime Christmas video that I have for you guys. Hopefully, this is straight up uncut. I believe I don't have to cut this video. I'm just going to cut the beginning off where it showed my recording settings and everything, and then set it up. Hopefully the mic sounds good, all that other stuff. Let me know how your Christmas went on your way out or into the video, whatever it is. Let me know the number like you are on the video. So drop a comment down below what number like you are. If you like the video and you're number 109, drop 109. And also let me know your thoughts on GameStop and what is in the box. You guys let me know in the comments down below. As always, the top links in the description are very important. One is for the Discord, where you can come talk with me, right? It's harder for me to come out and make a whole video just to check the comments and talk back to you when you could just be in the big group chat. Where I am too as well, and you can request videos, and you would have known about the Roaring Kitty tweet immediately. These people are on it in here. Also, when you get in, there are no bad questions, whether you're a beginner or advanced trader. This is the place to go. Welcome all of you guys to come level yourself up for the new year. We also have option sweep alerts, dark pool trade alerts, insider trade alerts, market news, and more. Ton of crazy benefits for a very low price. That is the top link in the description of the video. The second link is for Moomoo. It's a free broker. Do it before the new year is here, where you can get up to 15 free stocks, each valued up to $2,000 per stock. And they are giving you access to level 2 order book data for free, trading options, going long, going short, viewing other exchanges, and more as a retail trader. So there is no reason not to do so. Again, use the link, open an account, and deposit into your account once you are approved. That is it, guys. Merry Christmas. I love you all. Lottery Socks out.